Honey, can I talk to you about something?
Sure thing. What's on your mind?
It's about something that's been bothering me lately. Do you ever notice how other husbands admire their wives?
What do you mean? I admire you all the time.
I mean, like at parties or gatherings. Do you see how husbands look at their wives with admiration, how they compliment them without being asked?
Well, I guess I haven't paid much attention.
Exactly, that's what I'm talking about. You never seem to notice those things.
But I do appreciate you. I just might not express it the same way.
I know you appreciate me, but sometimes I wish you'd show it more. Like, do you remember Sarah's husband, Mark? He always compliments her, even in public. He notices every little thing about her.
Sarah's husband? Yeah, I guess I've seen him do that.
Exactly, why can't you do the same for me?
I didn't realize it was such a big deal to you.
It's not just about compliments. It's about feeling valued and appreciated without having to ask for it.
I understand. I'll try to be more attentive from now on.
Thank you. It just means a lot to me, you know?
I get it. I'll work on it, I promise.
And it's not just about what you say. It's about the little things too, like noticing when I make an effort or when I'm feeling down.
I'll make sure to pay more attention to those things too.
I appreciate that. I don't mean to sound demanding, I just want us to be closer.
I know, and I want that too. I love you, you know that?
I love you too. And I appreciate you being open to this conversation.
Of course. I want us to be the best we can be for each other.
Me too. So, can we make a pact?
What's the pact?
Let's both make an effort to appreciate each other more, without having to be prompted.
Deal. I'm all in.
That's all I ask for.
I'll do my best to make you feel cherished and loved every single day.
And I'll do the same for you. We've got this.
Absolutely. Together, we can make our relationship even stronger.
I'm glad we had this talk. It's made me feel closer to you already.
Me too. Let's keep communicating like this, okay?
Definitely. It's the key to a happy marriage.
Agreed. I love you.
I love you too, more than words can say.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.